Time to eat again. Today I'm gonna make something real good. I got some onions diced up there. I got a nice roll. Got some steak sauce. I got some chip steak frying in the frying pan. I'll show you that in a minute. And I got some mac and cheese. Did you ever hear of it? Did you ever have it? You wanna have it? You wanna taste it? It's gonna be good. Well, I'm gonna make that for my lunch. And I'll show you, okay? I don't hear no sizzling yet. It's sizzling now. All right, let me get my mac and cheese ready. Hear that sizzle? Oh, it smells good too. I'm gonna throw some onions in there before it's done. See them beautiful minced onions? Going in. You can leave the onions out if you don't like them. Oh, but I like them. They're minced real fine. See that? Oh yeah, getting there quick. All right. That's gonna be enough for a nice sandwich. Turn down that heat, put some steak sauce in there, go get my mac and cheese, warm it up. Love it, I love it. So far, a little bit of authentic steak sauce. A little bit, not too much. I wonder if I get 2 sandwiches out of this. Nah. One nice one. Fill up my bun. That's my favorite kind of cheesesteak. Normally I would put a lot of good cheese on here. Mushrooms, hot peppers, whatever I like. But today, there's something special. I am going to put a little mozzarella on here. What do you think of that? It's going to be super deluxe mac and cheese steak. Mozzarella will hold it all together nicely. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Won't you like that on fresh bun? Just like that. Whoa. There's my mac and cheese. Nice and steamy hot. You can make it fresh or you can use leftovers. Here's that beautiful cheesesteak. Wouldn't you just love that on this bun? I might get 2 out of this. Let's see what I can do here. Spatula number 1. Let's see. Need a bigger spatula. Beautiful. Beautiful. Need a bigger bun too, huh? Save room for the mac. Ooh, nice. Here's the best part. Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese steak. Coming at you. Yeah, I can make 2 of these. What do you think? Oh, it's beautiful. Want a bite? Gonna take 2 hands to handle that one. I can sit down. Come on over here. Should I use a plate? I'll use a plate. Wow. Look at it. Mac and cheese steak. Come on. And this would have been good with hot peppers. If you like it. Hot sauce. Whatever you like. I'm gonna try to tackle it right now. Give me a fork. Push it down inside a little bit. So it looks like a mac and cheese sandwich, but you get all that good cheesesteak underneath. Steak sauce, onions, mozzarella. I wanted to make this for a couple of weeks now. Now that I think of it, some crunchy bacon would have been good lined on the bun there, you know. It's your cheesesteak. Make it how you like. Oh, the meat. The mac and cheese. Oh. It's not as messy as I thought it would be. Uh-oh. Once I start hiccuping, I don't stop. I'm too excited. Remember that time I ate pork rinds? Every time I eat pork rinds, I get hiccups like crazy. I don't know why. But this, I just ate it too quick. I'm too excited. I love it. It's delicious. Try it. If you like, please subscribe. Share this. Share this video and share this recipe. I'll talk to you soon, okay? I'm going to eat it all. Bye. Thanks for watching. So good. Mmm.